Right, it's a good idea to check your car's belts every now and again, and in particular for your timing belt, if your car has a timing belt and not a timing chain, to check it at least halfway in the life cycle of the belt. Now for the Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi 2015, the full life cycle is 125,000 miles, so at 65,000 thereabouts. Give it a little check. The other quick visual check you should do is the belt that fails first, and that would be the auxiliary belt, the one that drives your pumps, your aircon pumps and your alternator. So give that a quick visual check, especially when it turns in on itself. You can see the ribs, you'll be able to see how many cracks are on there, and judge for yourself when that needs changing, because if that goes, there can be some damage that would be costly. So for the timing belt, this one's done 65,000. It's always going to sit normally on the right hand side of your engine, so the right hand side of your car, looking from, if you're looking from the front, it will be the left hand side, but if you're sitting inside the car, it'll be the right hand side. Hopefully these ones, I'll remember, they are, yeah, they're they don't fall out when you undo them, which is good. So number 6, get a suitable tool. I've got a number 6mm hex, and in this case it would be very negligent if I didn't check, because on this car, as you can see, it's fairly straightforward. The only worry is on this side you don't want anything dropping down the engine, so anything like this, keep hold on. Yeah, you even consider using a spanner with a spanner tied to your wrist or something like that, because I'm just going to take my watch off, otherwise it won't fit. Scratch my watch, it makes the job more difficult and more likely to drop this thing. I'll give you a look. I haven't looked at this in 65,000 miles. When I first got the car, I thought the belt looked really new, right? So I waited a few thousand miles and changed it anyway. So it'll be a good kind of gauge to see whether or not it was right or not, or wrong. I thought the belt had done quite a few thousand miles when I first got the car, but the belt looked in mint condition. So if this looks really rough now, then I realised that the belt had been changed before purchasing the car. So this one should be off as well. Now hopefully I won't need to, if you don't do it anymore, it will come off. Well, I won't say that, it will come off completely, the screw. So I think the top one needs coming. Let me take this lid off. Nothing else. Right, so there's an extra screw. See where a dimple is? I missed it. There's a dimple just in there. There's 4 screws on this. So we're going to look. So it comes out fairly easy. That's what I mean by the screws won't fall out on these models. But be careful, don't do it all the way like that. It might start coming out. Anyway, let's have a look. See, I made the timing belt marks there before. Let's check the condition of it. Looks fine, the teeth don't look worn. Looks fine. That's what we're looking for. Any kind of split, and it's okay. Right, thanks for watching. Do the same for your car. Be careful dropping anything down the right hand side. Be careful any bolts and things that are falling down. And that's it really. Thanks for watching.